Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying it with your little significant others. And if you're single, do not worry about it. Do not worry about it. You're saving money. Trust me, it's just a made-up holiday for the candy companies. Anyways, I actually really do love Valentine's Day. Today is Foundation Friday and we are going to be trying out the LANEIGE BB Cushion Foundation. This is supposed to be full coverage and really good. And the only place I could find this was on Amazon because I don't know if they just stopped making it and putting it on their website or even Sephora's website, or if it even was on there. I'm not sure. I know Tati made a video using this specific foundation and it was like really good and full coverage and she really liked it. So I decided that I wanted to try it, and it's something different. It's a Korean beauty brand. I think it's what I've gathered from doing my research. So I'm pretty eager to try it out. So that's why I did get it. So we will jump right into the video. So before we do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. And let's get into trying this new foundation. So this is the packaging. You can tell it is like a Korean beauty because like on this side, everything's like in Korean. And then so is this. I believe that's Korean. I mean, we're gonna say it is because it did come from Amazon because I couldn't find it anywhere else. So yeah, but I ordered it back in December, so it shouldn't have any kind of coronavirus or anything. That's so weird. I just filmed another video and posted this week that I was trying out this primer that was supposed to be this Korean beauty thing too. Maybe I should put these two together. Anyways, maybe I'll try that. But that is linked up there on the screen as well. So this is what the foundation comes in. I like it. It looks like really compact. It's not that thick. And then you open it up and it does have a mirror. Then it comes with this little powder puff thing. I probably won't be using that. But then you lift this up and there is the foundation. It's really not, like, it actually has like designs and stuff on it versus like the other ones are just kind of like flat. So, I mean, A+ for the packaging. And I did get the shade 21 beige, if you guys can, if my camera will pick up on that. So that's the closest to my skin tone that I found, so hopefully it works out. But I'm gonna read some claims on this. It says brightness and makeup effect lasts up to 12 hours. Skin moisture won't go away up to 12 hours. Skin darkness brightens within 12 hours. Okay, a lot of 12 hours going on. Sparkling coat pigment technology coated with pearl and water provides ultimate brightness and moisture to skin. And then it says how to use. Apply on the face in the direction of skin texture in a pushing motion and gently pat to make the application adhere to skin. To increase coverage, apply once more. So today we're going to be using my Eco Tool sponge. I like to do cushion foundations with like a more rounded kind of part. I just feel like it's easier to get down in there. I don't know how much is supposed to come out or anything, so we're just going to go for it, but that's what it looks like so far. Dang, I mean, that seemed to cover like pretty good. Like, that's one side of my face done. It does kind of like have like a glow to it. I don't know if it'll be like that once it dries down, but at first it does. So I have really oily skin, so I hope that doesn't kind of make it worse. We'll see. It's definitely like a lightweight formula, so that's good. It has like a slight scent to it. but it's not like a fragrancy scent. It kind of smells maybe a little citrusy. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but that's kind of like what I'm gathering. It is supposed to be buildable, so I'm just going to try to build it up kind of like on my problem areas. So it does look pretty good. It is pretty dewy, so I don't know how that's going to wear on my oily skin, but we will see. But I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 16 Fair Light Neutral, just under my eyes. It did cover pretty good, but I need just a little bit more coverage. Okay, now to set, I am going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder that I always use. I know how this powder works, so if I'm testing out any kind of new foundation or anything, I will go in with like the products that I know work for my skin. Like I did go in with my normal primers, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty and the Smashbox, the Minimize Pore, I think is what it is. I am just going to take my Eco Tool sponge and set the face. And the only thing about like dewy foundations is like, especially if it doesn't set down before you powder, you can kind of like pick your foundation back up when you're powdering, so be warned of that with dewy foundations. I don't know how this one's gonna go, but it seems not to be picking up, so that's a good sign. My skin's a little dry right now, but that is like everything set down, and I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I've had better, but I don't think it looks like absolutely horrible. But I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and show you guys the final look and see what we think then. So all my makeup is done. Be sure to watch this video. I posted it yesterday on this Valentine's makeup look, so that's why I look all fancy in a little t-shirt. But I think the foundation is like okay. I don't think it's like the best, but I mean, it'll work for today. My skin does feel like really, really light. I think it covered pretty much everything that I have going on, so that's good. I hope it doesn't break me out. I'm not sure about the ingredients because it's supposed to be Korean Beauty, but it's supposed to be good for you, so we shall see about that. But it did look a little dewy on the skin before I set it, but right now it doesn't look that bad. I have tons of highlighter on if you watched the other video with this makeup look in it. So yeah, we are ready to partay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you guys leave. Hit that post notification bell. And then also go follow me on the social media links down below in the description box. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!